Hey, hey, it's your girl Kimberly. And I just realized that my denim shirt requires denim jacket requires a shirt underneath it. And I guess because I've been working out, maybe I'm a little bit bigger and I cannot close the blazer. So I like wearing the denim without anything underneath it, but it's too uncomfortable, I think. Um, so it's really snug, and I think it'll be too uncomfortable. So I've decided to put this shirt with it, but not really to wear this shirt just like this. Um, just hold on, just hold on. Yeah, I'm not gonna wear this like this either. No. Okay, now after looking at my jacket, I have decided I'm gonna cut part of the bottom of this jacket. So probably a half an inch below here, I'm gonna take all of this part off all the way around the bottom part of this jacket in order to get the look that I'm trying to go for. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm fixing to open this up, cut this about a half an inch below this line right here. So, or so, something like that. Okay, let's see. So I have opened it up a little bit right here, but I changed my mind. I decided to keep this last button. And so I'm bringing my cut down a little bit lower than I wanted it to, because I remembered I wanted some of this to fray. It's not gonna be a closed finish or whatever you want to call it. So I need some extra fabric down here. Not a lot, but a little bit extra. So I've already started with my chalk, and so see, I'm doing it a little bit more than an inch is what I'm doing. So I'll be taking all of that off. So I'm doing the chalk all the way around, and I'll start cutting it. And also, I'm deciding to use red, the red. Okay, so I have cut this bottom away from the top. So I will start working on the other part that's going to be attached to this. So stay tuned. Okay, here I want to show you where I have put some holes, slashes in the pockets. There's two pockets on the front, and I've also done it on the collar, and I've kind of roughed it up a little bit. So I'm not going to wash it until after I completely finish, because I don't want the bottom to fray before I sew it. So I'm going to rough it up a little bit, but the washing is not going to be until after I sew the other parts to the jacket. Okay. Okay, I have put it back on after the cut. This is after the cut, and I am torn between. I, I would love this look. I want two looks, but I only have, and I've gone back into my closet to see if I have another button down white, but I don't really. I do, but I don't. Um, I think I've cut every white button down that I have. Um, so I'm torn between this look, because I can cut the shirt and attach it just like this, because I like this look, but I'm just like, I probably should just wear a tank top or something, a tube top or something like that. Um, yeah, I'm just torn. I don't know which look I want. Do I want this look where it looks like I have on a long sleeve button down, or God, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I have skipped a step. I can't go back because it's already done. So I'm going to tell you what I did. I just took a button down and cut it. Um, so here's the cut. Sorry. So I just cut it. So you see buttons on this side, holes on that side. So that part of the button down is going to be attached to the bottom of the denim jacket. Um, so yeah, so just once you make your cut on your denim, if you're gonna make a cut, you may just leave it like it is, and add the button down. But I'm gonna suggest, if you're gonna do this, if you don't already have pieces that is not working for you and you're going to buy stuff, first of all, check out the thrift store. But most of my button downs, I get them at Walmart, and they're like $20 at Walmart. So I guess that's why I don't care if I cut them, because I'll just go spend another $20. And I was just at Walmart yesterday. I wish I would have remembered that I was gonna cut this, because I need another one. But I love their shirts, their button downs anyway. But anywho, I'm gonna attach this to the denim, do a little bit. some more stuff before I actually come back and show y'all the finished product. So if y'all have any questions about any of the stuff that you see after this point, just put them in the comments, send me a message or whatever. But I am fixing to attach this part of the button down to the denim shirt. I'm going to do everything else to it. I'm also going to wash it so it can, fray a little bit, all of that before I come back and show y'all the whole finished look. So again, if you have any questions about anything that I did, just ask me. But this is really simple, easy. It's just making the cuts wherever you want them. This is where I want them. I guess I really didn't have to cut my denim, but I wanted that fray. So that's really why I cut it, not because it needed to be cut, because I could have just made the cut on this and added it to the bottom, but I wanted a little fray, not a whole lot, but a little bit. So stay tuned for the finished product, and y'all be blessed. Okay, I am back with the final reveal of this denim jacket. I'll explain to you as quickly as I can what all I did. So you ready to see the final thing? Hold on. Okay, so I did cut some of it off. I also cut this button down, and here it is attached to this bottom part. So it kind of looks like I have on the button down. I guess I do have it on. So this is what I did, Upcycled by Kimberly on this side. And this may read backwards, but this is I'm Kimberly. So you notice the I and the M is different from the other letters. So yeah, I'm Kimberly. So another thing I did was the back. So hopefully y'all can see that okay. But yeah, that's what I did to it. In the meantime, in between time, I am putting these together, these ties. Now, I didn't do anything to the tie. You could still take this, and actually this is a clip-on earring. So, side note, ladies, if you don't have brooches but you have earrings, use your earrings. This is actually earrings that I don't use. I don't wear clip-ons. They hurt. I can't seem to adjust them, but I like them, so I use them as brooches. So yeah, this tie will tie normal. I will show you, I will have the tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to do it just like this. There should be one. This is really a simple one that I put on this choker. So yeah, you can go to my YouTube channel and it should have just this basic one. But this is something that I'm doing also to the neckties. So if y'all are interested, get with me. I have several different things that I'm putting on the neckties for girls and guys. So guys, I'm not leaving you out. Like I said, the brooch does not come with it. It's just the tie. The necklace does not come with it. It's only the tie. And something else you will find on my YouTube channel is how to make this rose. This is also a necktie. Do not limit yourself on these neckties, ladies. Do not sleep on them. Y'all have a blessed day.